Hey friends, Tuxx here. Before you is the embarkment of a new adventure here, guys. This is the Blizzard War Within collector box set. It's probably the biggest Blizzard box ever and one of the biggest video game boxes ever for a physical edition. It's pretty huge, okay? I mean, the width of this box here is about 20 inches, which is pretty big, and then the top of it here is about 16 inches tall, so that's a pretty big box. And of course, it is a box in a box. It has a normal physical collector edition size form factor box, as well as a huge statue and goodies and stuff, and we're gonna get into that right now. But before I do anything else, I just wanted to show this real quick, that on the box, it's interesting. It says, do not ship before August 1st, okay? I thought that was kind of interesting. Let's go ahead and dive into this box. It looks like mine came with a little bit of tape, a little ding here a little bit, and the tape's a little messed up on top, so let's see if everything's good on the inside. All right, let's go ahead and cut the box. Here's the tape I was talking about before. The tape came, this is exactly how it came from FedEx. It was kind of open, so Blizzard, take note of that. Maybe use just a little extra tape, all right? We'll clip that there, and it looks like there's a little bit of tape still stuck down here. So we got that. I don't know if someone tried opening it maybe. Hopefully nothing's missing. I don't think anything is. And Blizzard normally are excellent about packing their boxes. If you go back to my Diablo Collector's Edition, you'll see. And oh, look at that, guys. Wow. Looking good. We have a fancy little letter here. Let me go ahead and pull this out and we'll take a look at this together. Okay, so the first thing we're greeted with is a beautiful little letter here with a W, not an M. It was upside down. Let me go ahead and pull this off here. This is put into its own little pre-cut little area, which is very interesting. A lot of attention to detail there. Let's go ahead and take a look at this here and see what we have. Not M, W. Very fancy. I'm loving the, check out the little detail on this. Besides being a nice matte black and cool bronze looking emblem there, there's a lot of little details in the actual paper itself, which is really cool. We'll open this up. Of course, I can't show my codes, but we'll see what's in here. Take a quick peek. Okay, this is, oh, okay, that's cool. They actually have the code covered. Loving that. Okay, so we're within Epic Gameplay Key. Okay, so the only thing in here is a key. Sometimes in years past, Blizzard would actually have coupon codes and things like that in here for other games, which I wish they would do. Maybe there's something else in the box, but I loved it when Blizzard would actually include StarCraft and all that kind of thing. But I get it though. They reduce over time. Maybe they found people weren't really using the keys or whatever. All right, let's see what's next. Now again, this box is absolutely huge, so I'm just gonna kind of pull off this next black compartment here, and oh, look at that, Blizzard World of Warcraft 20, very cool. So nice big box inside here. We'll pull out the black. This reminds me of Alienware, something black foam, so very cool. They went for that extra touch. Here we go, and now we're gonna go ahead and pull out this box, the box in a box. Okay, we pulled it out of the box. You can see it comes in a nice plastic bag, which is nice. Keep it nice. That's really important to you. You might think, why would they do that? But sometimes when things ship FedEx or whatever, sometimes other boxes around this box could become busted open. Maybe you're gonna have detergent or cleaner or something in it, or bleach or whatever. So it's important. I think it's a really nice touch. They wrap the box in plastic. So kudos to Blizzard for that. I think that's an excellent idea. Let's go ahead and pull off the plastic here. Oh boy, this is going to be awesome. Okay, here we are. We got the box out of the bag and we're ready to go. I'm going to put my code to the side over here, and you can see this is actually kind of like two boxes inside of a cardboard sleeve, okay? I've seen Sony do that kind of thing a lot, and it's a good way of packaging everything kind of all together. Here's the standard collector box that you're familiar with, that form factor. If you've done a lot of Blizzard box sets, you know. And this is a statue. Now, looking around the sides, a lot of cool details I want to point out at the top here. It's branded Warcraft 20, looking good. All sorts of baddies from different collector editions right there, so very good. On the side here, we have a nice War Within with this kind of emblem, which I guess is part of the launch screen. More about that in just a little bit. Lots of cool, almost like Stargate kind of things around. And this is texturized too, which is interesting. So there's actually kind of a cool texture to this. So that's really good. It has little feels. On the back here, we do have a picture of the statue, which, I don't even know where I'm going to put this, to be perfectly honest. It's cool they include this. It would be great if this was ceramic, but most likely this is plastic. But I'll cover that question, which I don't hear a lot of people talking about, but we'll check that out together. It's probably plastic, but it's a very cool, very detailed looking statue. So they really went all out with this box set. Very cool they had this. I was actually a little worried maybe they wouldn't have a physical edition because it did come out later, but that is usually the case, that they'll put out the digital editions first and then the collector editions later, So very cool stuff. Just spinning it all around. Now we're back to the beginning here. Let me go ahead and slide out the boxes here, and we'll check this out together. I don't want to rip the plastic or the paper here. So here is the collector box set. This is what you're familiar with. And of course, there is the statue. We'll come back to this in just 1 second, okay? But first, I want to take a quick look at this statue. And I may not assemble this whole thing right now. I'm sure there's plenty of videos that show the whole thing assembled. If you want that later, I could do an assembly video. But I may just keep it nice for right now. But I do want to answer that question about, is this plastic or ceramic? I'm sure it's got to be plastic, but let's check it out here. And also just check out the detail of it. So very cool. Oh, look at that. We have a little Easter egg on the inside here. They actually imprinted 20, like Warcraft 20 in the foam. So it's very cool. They did a lot of that, like, you know, pressure heat printing on the styrofoam packing. So very cool stuff. Like the way the inside detail, we got gold, we have black. So very cool. They have different non-showing colors of the cardboard being colorized, which is very cool. And we'll just pull off this top part here for right now. Let's take a look here. Oh, this is really tough to get out. I don't want to rip the cardboard. I thought this might just be like a top part, but it looks like this is one big styrofoam piece. And the whole inside of the box here is black on the inside, as you can see. So very cool they went to that trouble. And let's take a quick look at this. Again, I'm not planning on assembling this whole thing right now, but I could do that in a future video. But I gotta know, is this plastic or is this styrofoam or ceramic? If it's styrofoam, I'd be surprised. Okay, we're cutting open. There's tape going all the way around. So that's cool, keeps it very nice and safe. There we go. Oh, don't want to cut the styrofoam more than I have to. There we go. Oh, okay, want to be careful here. And we'll pull off the top. And here is what it looks like on the inside. So this is very hard plastic, okay? Wow, this has a good amount of weight to it too, guys. Just to give you an idea what that looks like. Very beautiful detail. Oh, I didn't expect this. Some parts of this is rubbery. Okay, so like the actual mount here is very heavy. And God, this almost feels ceramic, but it's got to be plastic. I mean, it's definitely plastic, but it might have some kind of weight or something on the inside to give it a really good, solid feel. But one thing I never heard before on any other channels is that this, like the shield here is rubbery. See, there's some bend in that. See that? And like the cape, there's some bend in that. The ear here, the helmet, there's a little bend in that. So very interesting. The head here, a little bend in that. But the whole thing feels very heavy and very good quality, actually. And just really good quality as far as the craftsmanship and like little details on the feathers and the eye and the armor. Like lots of good stuff there. And again, I may put this together in a future video, but looking very cool, very solid. I think my biggest question with these is like, where exactly will I put this, you know? Do love it though. Very cool though. It's great when they include big things, and at BlizzCon they gave some statues, so of course I have a little Blizzard statue collection. So very good, something you can put on your desk. But for right now, we're gonna pop this back in place here. Let's see if I can do this gracefully. And this was interesting. Looks like it's like just a little protector for the little feet. Let me see if I can get this in the right way. It looks like it goes like that. So I mean, a lot of thoughtful little details to try and keep it nice in the packaging. Okay, so here is the Deluxe Collector Edition box. Again, if you've been collecting these for years, I'm sure you're familiar with the form factor. It's great they continue to make these in a design that kind of works well together, although they have made some little tweaks to the box over the years, you know, as far as how it opens and different elements of it. But it's great that Blizzard has continued to keep the same form factor. Loving the detail in the box. They always do such a great job. I mean, it's texturized. Love the graphic. It's kind of a metallic red here, which is really good. This gem almost seems to shine. Look at that gem right there. It almost seems to shine. The light is like kind of lighting it up. Great work of shading to make it look like a real gem. It really looks like $100. I mean, it's very, very nice. Very, very cool. The backside here has this cracked emblem. Kind of reminds me of Cataclysm or something. So very cool. And again, texturized all throughout. So very nice. Even the bottom has like cool little designs on it and stuff. So really an excellent box all the way around. A+ job. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now this is kind of like clamshell, so we're going to open this up this way. There we go. We're greeted to a nice little reflective, again, this is kind of a bronze colored World of Warcraft emblem, so very cool. The inside, lots of detail, lots of cool look to it. And of course, the first thing here is the book, and I've always loved the books. The books are so cool, guys. I love looking through these and having these. Sometimes I'll reminisce on their old expansions and check out the books. And even at BlizzCon, they've done some great books. In fact, one of my favorite books is actually a cosplay book they did that they're giving out at BlizzCon in one of their mystery boxes. So very cool stuff. Blizzard A+ job on the books. Loving the look of this. Again, this is texturized, lots of metallic little bits. I'm not going to go through every page of this, but I just wanted to give you kind of an idea. Look at the back, really nice. The whole thing is done excellent all the way through and through. Nice big color pictures. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh, they're all loving it, man. Oh, and look at that. At BlizzCon, this little movie gave me the feels, man. It was like, oh, my God. He is sunken so far, you know. It goes through. And there's sometimes little spoilers in these books, you know, so sometimes I actually kind of skim through them and play the game and then come back and go through them. But it looks like it's like a little bio of different characters, talks about his little ruggedness. What if he cuts his own hair, you know? New areas, very cool. Loving all the artwork, some of his like concept artwork from when they were actually making the game. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Whoa, that is so good. Different little baddies in the game. Different characters from, you know, new classes, weapons. I mean, it has all sorts of cool things, mounts, all sorts of awesome little art tidbits and little Easter eggs for you. So as you're playing the game or after you complete a raid, you can look through here and check out some of the early stuff. Oh, look at that. That is sweet looking, man. I love these books. Okay, so Blizzard, please, if you're watching this video, please continue the books. I'm a big, big fan. Love the books. They're well worth it. Okay, so that is one of the big things. And if you were to buy like a collector edition book like this on Amazon, a full color, beautiful book like this could easily cost, you know, 30, 40 bucks or so. So it's a really good benefit to get the book for free with the deluxe physical collector edition. So to me, that makes it worth it alone. Whoa, look at that crazy thing. Looks like Avatar or something. Very nice. Anyway, awesome job, guys. Thank you. Love the book. And then next up, notice a really nice little ribbon here, so that helps pull everything out. This is a deluxe pin, it looks like, and of course, Blizz kind of a big pin trader and collector, so I always welcome nice pins, and that's a really beaut, man. Check out, it even has like a fancy card stock here. It comes on kind of reflective. Very cool. It's a 2-pin with a little rubberized pins on the back, so very good quality, good weight. This is metal. Okay, this is a metal pin, and looking really good. Hopefully the camera's capturing that okay. But really nice looking pin. Love the way that looks. There we go. Zoom in. There we go. And lots of great detail in there. Different characters from the game. Very nice looking pin. So that'll be something good for the collection. And then this here will pull out. I think this pulls out. I think there's something else in here. Let me see. Is that it? Could that be it? Maybe that's it. Yeah, it feels like that's the bottom of the box. So basically, I mean, you get a huge statue, you get an amazing pin, deluxe pin, and you get the amazing book. Now, where they kind of went a little different this year, different direction, is they gave like a amazing statue with it, but then, you know, they didn't include some little things they have done in the past, like the mouse pad, which I'll be honest, guys, I love the mouse pad. If you go to either, there's 2 workstations in this room for editing. Both of them have a Blizzard mouse pad. Love the mouse pad. So hopefully, guys, if you're watching this, consider maybe bringing the mouse pad back. You know, the mouse pad would be one thing I'd love to have back. And sometimes they would have a music CD. Personally, for me, I wouldn't listen to that as much, although I know they put a ton of work into the WoW music. I think it's an unappreciated thing where they spend so much time and money making the perfect soundtrack, you know. But sometimes it's underappreciated. And in past years, sometimes they have included a CD, you know, which those usually I would keep as a collector item, but I wouldn't really listen to on the regular, you know. But one thing I would watch on the regular is sometimes they would include a making of DVD. If you go back to some of the earlier editions with, you know, behind the scene little video snippets of the actual developers and that kind of thing, you know, working at their desks and talking about, you know, the different enemies and kind of showing them animated as they're drawing them and that kind of thing. And I really did like those making of DVDs, you know. And then one other thing which would be nice would be, again, I still play StarCraft. I really do. And like even like more relevant games, I guess you could say, like Hearthstone, that were featured at BlizzCon last year. It'd be nice if they gave something for that, you know, in the box, like a little cardboard thing saying you got a free pack of cards or something, you know. And I know there is digital goodies that come with this when you enter your key when you enter your key, they give you lots of digital goodies, but there really isn't a lot of explanation about what digital goodies you're getting. And I know that's been advertised everywhere, so it's not like you don't know, you know, but I'm just saying it'd be kind of nice if they included like maybe like one piece of card stock in here saying, here's all the digital goodies you get or something. Okay. All right, guys. I want to thank you very much for watching this video. Love Blizzard products, love Blizzard company, great people, love the game experiences they create, you know, and I'm hoping guys, that last BlizzCon was a banger, man. It was an awesome BlizzCon. I had such a good time. It was packed and I loved every minute of it. And the fact that they had, you know, Xbox there, they had Phil Spencer there on stage, really blew my mind, honestly. So all sorts of good things are going to happen for Blizzard coming up, I'm sure. And in fact, including maybe things on Xbox, like imagine Hearthstone on Xbox Live. Like, that'd be amazing, you know, like, I already play on my phone, you know, but I don't really play it on Xbox, you know, and they have had like Diablo on Xbox Live and stuff too. So maybe I just need to check out Xbox Live more. But anyway, that's something they could advertise in the box and let us know, say, hey, check out Hearthstone on Xbox Live. But at least at the time of recording this, I've never played Hearthstone on anything besides PC or phone. So maybe they need to explain that to me. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'll have a link below, and definitely I will check you guys out in the game, because pre-patches today, the day I'm filming this, Tuesday. So I'm definitely looking forward to that experience. The servers are down right now. That's why I'm recording the video real quick. All right. And all right, guys, thanks for watching. Any requests you want to see more of something, more of statue, more of book or something, let me know in the comments below, or shoot me a message at tuxtoys@gmail.com, and I'd be happy to make a follow-up video down the road. Okay. All right. Again, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon, guys. I'm off to play some WoW. All right. Bye-bye.